Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anupriya from Berkowits Hair and Skin Clinic, and today I'm going to talk about various anti-aging treatment including botulinum toxin, thread lift and fillers. Anybody who is above the age of 25 years can take this treatment. To start with botulinum toxin, it is a protein complex which is derived from the bacterium Clostridium botulinum, and it is used to treat various muscular conditions and aesthetically remove wrinkles by temporarily relaxing the muscle. Now, it is a relatively painless procedure and it is basically done by applying a local anesthetic cream on the affected area and by injecting the botulinum toxin directly into the neuromuscular tissue. The effect of this toxin starts to appear within 24 to 72 hours and its maximal effect is seen within 7 to 14 days. Its effect stays till 6 to 8 months. Now, the various indications for which botulinum toxin can be used are horizontal frontal lines, frown lines, crow's feet, and bulky masseter muscle. Now, this bulky masseter muscle is usually seen in non-vegetarians who eat chewy food, due to which this muscle gets hypertrophied. By the use of botulinum toxin, we can relax this muscle and narrow it down. The other indications of botulinum toxin are gummy smile, dimple chin, and bunny lines. Now, there are a few precautions that a patient has to take after getting the procedure done. Firstly, he cannot lie down for the next 4 hours so that the toxin is properly absorbed by the muscle. Secondly, it's advised not to bend down and lift up heavy weight and to avoid exercising. That is all. Now, botulinum toxin is used to treat various temporary lines and it also prevents the formation of various permanent lines. But there is also a treatment available to treat the various permanent lines, and that is fillers. Now, what exactly are fillers? They are high percentage hyaluronic acid material which are not only used to treat various permanent lines, but they are also used for face rejuvenation and also for volume restoration. The various indications of this procedure are tear trough, nasolabial fold, marionette lines, and to fill in various permanent lines on the face which can be anywhere including the forehead or on the chin. This procedure can also be used for restoring volume on the cheeks or for chiseling down the jawline. Now, this is an extremely gratifying procedure and gives immediate results. 60% of the effects are seen immediately after the procedure and maximal effects are seen within 7 to 14 days. The results stay for about 1 to 2 years. The only precautions that you have to take after the procedure are to avoid exercising for the next 1 week, to avoid any facial massage or any other facial treatments, to avoid bending down, and the similar precautions like I mentioned in botulinum toxin procedure. Thread lift is another anti-aging procedure which is a relatively new procedure which is basically used for lifting up of the sagging face and for tightening of the bulky face, neck and chin. There are a various number of threads available which include mono threads, cork threads, mono screw threads and double screw threads. Now, mono threads, they are extremely fine threads which are made up of polydioxanone material which are tied up in a very fine needle. These fine needles, they are inserted inside the skin intradermally. They are taken out and the thread remains inside. Now, this thread when remains inside, it causes collagen regeneration and remodeling and hence tightening and lifting up of the face. Now, where exactly these threads have to be put are decided depending upon where it is required and where there is maximal sagging of the face. The direction in which the thread can be put are in the upward direction so that the jawline can be pulled up and it can chisel out like this so that we can further pull up from the jawline. We can even put threads below the jawline to chisel it down further. We can even put threads below the chin in people who have double chin. We usually create a mesh in case of a double chin so that we get maximum results. We can even put threads behind the ear to further pull up the skin in this direction. Threads can even be put in the neck to treat the horizontal lines in the neck. These threads take about 180 days to dissolve, and the maximal effect of this treatment of thread lift is seen after 2 to 3 months. The result of this procedure remains for about 1 to 2 years. There are a few precautions after this procedure which everyone has to take, which include eating soft foods and to avoid eating chewy food for about 1 to 2 weeks after the procedure, and to avoid any facial massage or any face treatment 1 to 2 weeks after the procedure. Now, it is a very well known fact that an ideal female facial shape is an oval shape or an inverted egg shape, with fullness in the upper half of the face and tapering in the lower half of the face from the jawline towards the chin. By combination of these procedures, including botulinum toxin, thread lift and fillers, we can achieve the ideal female facial shape. So, doing even a single procedure or a combination of all these procedures can give us very promising results and can help us defy the signs of aging. For the viewers, if you have any difficulties or any doubts, you can contact us on LiveRate. Thank you.